Use the data tool, remove duplicates, to make a list of unique values, I beg your pardon. Sometimes we have lists of data that have repeat values in them. So if we look over here at our salespeople, we've got some of these names have been repeated, and while there's only a few in this example, it may be that we have, quite a few. So what we're going to do is first of all, we're going to copy this list. So I'm just going to select the list. If I didn't have already put the heading over here, I could have taken it from there, but I was trying to do it, be prepared. So there I've got my list there, and it's still selected. So now I'm going to move to the data tab, just like that. And from the data tab, I'm going to the data tools area and click on remove duplicates. It asks me to check which column I want them from, and it is salespeople, and it's already defaulted to my data has headers. It's recognised it's a header there, so just check that when you're doing it and go OK. And there we get the message, it's found 4 duplicates and it's removed them, and now we have 4 unique values. Simple, easy, but oh so useful. So thank you for watching this CompSkill how-to, and I look forward to seeing you again next time. Goodbye.